All right, starting off with gelish foundation, we are going to apply this all over the nail. I do have a very thin base of gel on, just because that is just something that I always have on my nails and I don't have any reason to take it off. So I'm putting this down because what I'm doing, instead of using the liquids that this comes with, so this dip powder is by Jershon, and I picked this kit specifically because I wanted to have this orange for what was in my mind, which is this. So what I do is I went ahead and put that down, I cured it, and now I'm taking Jimmy Gel. You want to use one type of adhesion product, and I like gel personally. So using gel and then going in with this dip powder worked perfectly. Some things I wish I had done differently in the second half, but I'll get there. So what I do, I put that base down, I cure it, and then I come in with this Jimmy Gel. Now this Jimmy Gel is almost out, so I specifically chose this one because I didn't want to mix that powder in with my Jimmy Gel. So use one that you don't mind if the brush stains or anything like that. So what I do is I dip it in after I fully apply it, and then I cure it in the lamp for the full amount of time. Actually, I think I even maybe have done it a little bit longer just to make sure it's super, super, super cured. So we will just dip, and then I tap the excess off, and then I go in and cure, and then I wipe it off. So literally I wiped off all the excess. Like with the powders, when you're using their type of system, it's like a glue, so you don't really want to wipe it off with like acetone or alcohol. I used alcohol in this and I didn't have any issues, so if you just FYI. But I'm coming in with that second layer, again, using an older product here because you have to be willing to allow potential product to get into your gel. And again, if using an old product, it doesn't really matter because that's probably what I'm using this for. So coming in and dipping again, and I find this way is so much quicker than using their system as far as like the liquids go, and that goes for any dip system. But their powders are beautiful, and I knew exactly what I wanted to do when I got this one. Fully buffed and wiped off all the extra, which you can see it looks so much better now. And I am taking another coat of Jimmy Gel, and we are not going to put that dip powder on. We are going to put glow in the dark powder. Now I made a gel, so I filmed this one first, and then I filmed the bat tutorial, the glow in the dark bat nails. I should have done the glow in the dark right from the beginning, but I didn't, and I struggle a little bit with this one. So go ahead and mix your powder with gel. Don't do what I'm doing here. We struggle a little bit, and then I'm like, okay, let me put it on. Yeah, I'm just leaving this in so you know and trust me that using a mixed gel is so much better than what I'm doing. All right, coming in with a matte top coat, and I have that loose powder top coat because again, I like to keep them separate so I don't end up mixing different products together. taking the stamping plate that I used the entire time from Clear Jelly Stamper and okay, so they glow in the dark, and then I wanted to stamp orange on orange so like in the dark you could see it. Doesn't really work out that way. So, I mean, you'll see at the end what it looks like, just glows in the dark. And then I wanted to add some pumpkins, and I love the pumpkins. It just, what I envisioned and what ended up happening were not the same. So, just keep that in mind. Glossy one because I wanted them glossy again using that powder. So I will go ahead and give these a cure, and then I will show you what they look like in the end. And when they glow in the dark, they bright, trust me. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you are still enjoying the 13 days of Halloween, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye bye.